All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, we're back again. Thanks so much for your support all the way. My brother, my sister, this is another one reaching us right now. Well, still on the matter, Yoruba Nation no going back and exactly what it is. Well, my advice right now for every Yoruba person. In fact, if you are a Yoruba man or woman, anywhere you see people shouting Yoruba Nation, please support them. Hmm. Support this movement. It's like we are already at the perilous time right now. In fact, that is what is happening. As you can see, all these people, they are they are the Boko Haram they are talking about. Then when they say terrorists, when they say bandits, now them be this. And then you see their chairman. Now this one, now they call for Abuja as in their backbone. I have my reasons. I will tell you along the line. Well, my people, if people are shouting, you are a Yoruba person, they are shouting Yoruba Nation, I beg, try as much as possible to follow them to shout that Yoruba Nation. In fact, anywhere where then they go, follow them. Right now, this information I just got is something that everybody needs to wake up. Like, wake up. Yeah, this set of people, their audio just leaked, and then while I was listening to that audio, I was jotting down some points. On this channel, we have a lot of people who actually love the Yoruba Nation movement, and then they don't understand Yoruba, and they actually want to be a partaker of this. So they will call us and tell us, please, Pilado, would you be able to be, interpreting this to us in English and not that? And then what is our job? We will definitely bring all those information across to them. And then that's exactly what we are doing and about to do. Yes, so my brother, my sister, no be small thing. These Fúlàní people where you see, we sit down, carry a key. They are the, Fúlànis that are based in Kwara State. All these ones are based in Kwara State. And they said a lot of things. As in, listening to their conversation while I was listening, I was shocked with what I was hearing. I'm going to chip in those things to you. In fact, the important things there. And right now, all these people were chatting, talking about. In fact, there is a village called Àttàçk village. They talked about that Àttàçk, and there's a Kara in that Àttàçk village. I think that's in Kwara State. And then I just tried to check where Àttàçk is. I check online, and just to be sure if these people are actually talking about a very close place I know. But lo and behold, they were talking about Àttàçk in Kwara State. So I went online. If you check online right now, you see I just asked what is the definition, where is Àttàçk in Yoruba land, and then checking from Google. Google brought out Àttàçk Igbo, and it defines the place as Àttàçk Igbo is an ancient town in Igbomina, Yoruba land of Kwara State. Àttàçk Igbo is an ancient town in Igbomina, Yoruba land of Kwara State. Yes, you can just Google this on your on your phone, on your smartphone right now. That where is Àttàçk in Yoruba land. This set of Fúlàní people, they sat down together. They were like, one of them was asking the other one. They were speaking in Yoruba. Their Yorubas are not clear, but they were speaking the conch one. But though it was not clear, but they were just like, the other one was asking the question that Hope, the king of Àttàçk, did not support that they should send us away from the land. And the other one said, no, he did not support at all. He did not support. Now the other one was like, now God save and say he no support, see me them pursue. that is we are talking about one of Yoruba monarchs in the southwest, and this one we are talking about Oba Ajashe. He says, "Hope the king of Ajashe did not support that they should send us away." And then the other one replied, "No, kò support you. Kò sọ òun gan mọ̀. Òun gan mọ̀ pé tóun bá lọ support lásán, a máa jẹ gbogbo ìlú yẹn run ni." They were speaking Yoruba. A máa jẹ wọ́n run ni. Òun gan mọ̀ kò ní fẹ́ tẹ̀ kò support you. And the other one was like, na God save her. Na God save her say he no support. We for clear the whole community. And when they talk about clearing, you see what they are holding in their hands is to clear. Now, woman being they clear, no be bush. And there's some set of people will still sit down and tell us, one Nigeria, Yoruba local. In this thing that we are talking about, some sort of people will say one Nigeria, some will say Yoruba local. About God and your hand with it. A lot of things were said. And then one of them was like, they were calling us Boko Haram, calling us Boko Haram. Is it our fault? They are the one that caused it now. They believe that they are the one that are supposed to, stay in the city so that we will not be in the bushes, in the forest. So now we don't like better thing, abi. So this time around, we will drag on. Say, in fact, that Kara, we go take over Kara very soon. And they were just speaking in Yoruba, you understand? Say, we go collect Amagba Kara like Amagba. And the next he was asking the other one, say, lára àwọn ará wa mélòó ló pa ná? Àwọn ará wa yẹn mélòó ló pa? The other one was like, say, it's like just 4. Mẹ́rin péré, mẹ́rin ló pa, kò sí wàhálà. Nǹkan tí máa ṣe ni pé, nǹkan tí máa ṣe tí màá pe Abuja, wọ́n máa bá wa, wọ́n máa fún mi ní lẹ́tà tó máa cover. I don't know the kind of letter he was talking about. Wọ́n máa fún mi ní lẹ́tà tó máa cover iṣẹ́ yẹn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ máa fún wa láwọn sójà. Fẹ́ sójà, kọ́ máa fún wa ní àwọn sójà Yorùbá o. Kọ́ fún wa ní sójà Fúlàní. Àwọn nìkan fún wa. So from there, I was now like, so you mean these people surely have people they call in Abuja? So that means these things that we have been hearing is true. So exactly what is going on? So they have backups, backbones, sponsors. That is why they come to your land, they do anyhow. And that is why, if anyone is telling you that Yoruba nation say they want to go, and then you are there saying, I beg you, leave those people, they don't know what they do. Now you don't know what they do. Now you don't know what they do. In fact, if you want to reason it from that aspect, whereby they will give just a headman AK-47, who does that? Headman will carry AK-47 with cow inside bush. Small pikin, they will carry AK-47 giver inside bush, making the watch. That AK-47 are for waiting. You gonna tell me? Not to pursue, not to kill, not to hunt down wild animal. I mean, not to kill human being. Of which we don't see many things will don't happen. Many human beings, they don't buy them. And right now, a lot of people are still sitting down saying nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. I pray that we will not regret all this. The man was like, yes, so ìwà tó ń wù náà ni wọ́n fi ń pè wá ní Boko Haram. Àwa gan tó ń pè ní Boko Haram, ó ti mọ́ wa lára, kò ṣẹjú àwa náà. Ìwà tó ń wù ni, but kí wọ́n má lọ rò pé àwa gan a fẹ́ ká gbádùn ara wa. Àwa gan fẹ́ gbádùn ara wa. Àwa ṣáwa ló ní ká wà nínú igbó káwọn àríra máa gba gbogbo ilẹ̀ yẹn ni. Exactly what these Fúlàní people were discussing. I don't know how that audio got leaked. Well, one thing is, I'm going to release that audio to you so that you will understand exactly what is happening. this shouldn't be for my own ears alone. Because right now, this set of Fulani people are everywhere. And what actually surprised me was the fact that he said, like two things, that about three things he said, which I'm still going to repeat, that actually baffled me was the aspect whereby he said they are calling us Boko Haram, Boko Haram. Not that we are happy to be called Boko Haram, but na their sin, na dem cause am. Ìwà tán wù ló bí wa nú. Say meaning it was their character that angered us, that made us to be staying in the forest, to be attacking them. And as it stands, he said they are going to take over Kara very soon. I think Kara in Àjàṣe or Kwara State. But according to Google defined that Àjàṣe area as, it says, is an ancient town in Igbomina, Yoruba land. And I underlined that Yoruba land. That means all those places are Yoruba land. Google did not say it's a Fúlàní land. I hope somebody is listening to me. Google did not define it to be a Fúlàní land, but it defined it to be a Yoruba land. I now underlined that Yoruba land. You can imagine. And yet these people are telling us that is their land, that their forefather Uthman Danfodio told them to take the land, that is their land. So this time around they have to occupy by fire by force. Yes, if it's not by fire by force, they will not even be holding AK-47 in the first place. Come on, too bad, my people, too bad. Well, our prayer is that the good Lord will continue to protect us all. A lot of innocent souls are dying on a daily basis. How long are we going to continue like this? Yoruba nation not going back, and exactly what it is. But one thing this guy said that still baffled me is that he said he will call Abuja, then Abuja will give them soldiers. And all these soldiers they are talking about, they are Nigerian soldiers. So, but he said they will give us soldiers, but it should not be. They should not give us all these Yoruba soldiers. They should give us Fulani soldiers that we can work together. My brother, my sister, everybody needs to wake up. Because these things that are happening, Baba God, now your hand with day. All right, my people, this is exactly what it is right now. Yoruba nation no going back, and exactly what the people are still talking about. All right, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.